In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji to Google Drive files and folders. Adding a touch of personality to your file names can make organization a little more fun and help you quickly identify files and folders. So, let's get started and inject some emoji flair into your digital workspace. First things first, we need to find the perfect emoji to add to your Google Drive. There are many websites where you can find a wide variety of emojis, such as Emojipedia or Emoji Copy. These sites have comprehensive collections of emojis across different categories, making it easy to find just the right ones for your needs. Alternatively, you might already have a favorite emoji in a document or chat message, which you could borrow for this purpose. Simply navigate to one of these sources and pick the emoji that best suits your style. Now, once you've found an emoji you like, you'll need to copy it. This is quite straightforward. Just select the emoji by clicking and dragging over it so it's highlighted. Then, if you're using a Windows device, press Ctrl and C at the same time to copy it. If you're on a Mac, you'll need to press Command and C. Remember, keeping the emoji on your clipboard for easy access makes the upcoming steps much more seamless. Next, it's time to head over to your Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to your Google Drive account. Here, you'll see all your files and folders. To rename an item and add your newly acquired emoji, right-click on the particular file or folder you want to rename. You'll see several options pop up. Select Rename from this list. This action will open a small dialog box that allows you to edit the name of the selected file or folder. Now comes the emoji magic. Click in the name field to place your cursor where you want your emoji to appear. Most people prefer to place emojis at the beginning or end of the name to make them stand out, but feel free to choose a spot that works best for you. Once your cursor is in place, it's time to paste the emoji you copied earlier. On a Windows computer, this is done by pressing Ctrl and V. If you're using a Mac, you'll want to press Command and V. After pasting, you should see your emoji appear in the name field, just as you planned. Finally, complete this process by clicking OK. And there you have it. The emoji is now part of your file or folder name, making it instantly more noticeable and engaging. This small visual cue can dramatically improve how quickly you identify what you're looking for, as well as adding a splash of creativity to your digital filing system. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you enjoy sprucing up your Google Drive with fun emojis. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing!